How to export Slim SEO metadata from WordPress, posts, pages, products, custom posts. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to export Slim SEO metadata from your WordPress website. Whether you want to migrate SEO data, create a backup, audit SEO fields, or optimize content in spreadsheets, this tutorial walks you through the entire exporting process step by step. Let's jump right in. WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin makes it easy to export all Slim SEO metadata in bulk. You can export Slim SEO data along with any post types like posts, pages, products, and custom posts. You'll be able to extract fields like SEO title, meta description, canonical URL, no index, Facebook and Twitter image fields, and more. The export can be generated in multiple formats like CSV, Excel, XML, JSON, and TSV. You can also export to Google Sheet if you've connected your Google account. Check the link in description to learn how to connect with Google Sheet account in WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Step 1. Select post type for export. From your WordPress dashboard, open the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin and go to the Export tab. Now choose what type of content you want to export. Whether it's posts, pages, WooCommerce products, or custom post types. Choose one module type here. Click Continue. Step 2. Select export name and type. Now add the export file name first. Add a name that's easy for you here. Next, configure how you want to receive the export file. Supported formats include CSV, XML, Excel, JSON, and TSV. If you scroll down to Advanced Filters, enable the Export Data to Google Sheets option to export the data to your Google Sheet account. But before this, you need to configure the Credentials and Settings tab. Use the Split the Records option if you have larger records and you want to export in multiple records. Step 3. Configure advanced filters and schedule export. If you scroll down to the Advanced Filters area, you can configure many options here to export specific records from your website. You can configure filters like export data based on specific status, export data of specific author, export specific post IDs, export specific post title records, export specific categories records, and much more. Here you can configure advanced export options like provide access to non-admins to export. This will provide special access for the configured role users to this particular export setting. Enable this. Do you want to schedule this export option to schedule export on recurring basis and store it in any cloud storage like FTP/SFTP or Google Sheet? Otherwise, click Export to start the process. Step 4. Export completion and verification. Once the export finishes, the direct download button link will appear. Click on it to download the exported file and verify that all your posts and Slim SEO fields data are exported correctly. And that's how you export Slim SEO metadata from WordPress, fast, safe, and in bulk. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe. Have questions about Slim SEO import or export? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.